Unmute and say the answer better. Vaibhav Ingle,
Yes, ma'am.
please tell the answer of 55 and 56.
For he bore the pain with great fortitude.
He bore
Fortitude.
the pain with great fortitude. Fine. Fortitude मतलब क्या है?
Fortitude means courage and patience shown by somebody who is
Okay.
suffering great pain or
या सम पीपल को सफरिंग और पेन होल्ड करने के लिए बहुत ये है, सहिष्णुता है, बहुत पेशेंस है. ओके, दे कैन बेयर एनी काइंड ऑफ पेन. इसको बोलते हैं fortitude. Okay. Okay, now explain the options better.
second defiance. Defiance means open refusal to obey
हाँ,
somebody.
resignation फर्स्ट से स्टार्ट करो. ए रेसिग्नेशन, रेसिग्नेशन मतलब क्या है? रेसिग्नेशन मतलब क्या है?
A letter or statement that says you want to leave your job or position.
Yes, resignation matlab we are resigning from that particular position, means we are taking a step back. We don't want to continue over there. That is called resignation. So that is kind of an opposite to this fortitude. Fortitude means कुछ भी हो मैं ये सहन करके उधर ही स्थिर रहूंगा. Okay, that is called fortitude. Resignation means no, I want to go out of it. Okay, that is resignation. So that is kind of opposite to fortitude. Then this B is known as defiance. Defiance means challenge. Henna, what is the meaning that you found? Defiance. Viper?
Defiance means open refusal to obey somebody.
Yeah. Refusal to obey somebody, or it can also be said that a challenging situation. Who can face this defiance? Matlab, who can take up that challenge and do? That is called a defiance. Third,
Indifference.
okay,
Uh,
indifference means what?
a, a lack of interest or feeling towards somebody.
Yes, indifference means you have shown indifference to them means what? इतना interest उनके बारे में आपने नहीं लिया. That is called indifference. You are showing some indifference over there, means you are not taking that much interest and care in their case. Next, final one, forbearance.
Forbearance means the quality of being patient and
Yes.
sympathetic towards people.
Yeah, something like this fortitude, right? Forbearance means being patient, sympathy, standing there with the people, and the patience, say you are bearing with the people. That is kind of like a fortitude. So is the option D the correct answer here?
Yes.
What do you think?
Yes, ma'am. B.
Okay, fine. D is the correct option here. Fortitude means forbearance. You are ready to be patient with them. You are ready to be patient in that situation rather than running away. You will be there and do all things that is necessary. Okay, next. Question number
Um,
56.
he gave his tacit approval to the proposition.
Proposition. He gave his tacit approval to the proposition. He gave his tacit approval to the proposition. Now, what do you mean by tacit? That's
Tacit means understood but not actually said.
understood but not actually said. Okay, मेरे को समझ में आया लेकिन मैंने एक full yes नहीं बोला. That is called tacit approval. He gave his tacit approval means हाँ I approve ऐसे नहीं बोला लेकिन मेरे को समझ में आया. Okay, that's called tacit approval. Yes. Options.
Full holding or containing as much or as many as possible.
हाँ, full means your approval के बारे में. You need to think in the way that sentence is given. So tacit approval is the one which is being asked to find the meaning. So four different types of options. Full approval means yes, I have approved it fully. You don't have to think twice. Just go for it. I have given total permission. That is called full approval. Now, loud approval. Loud means what?
Loud. Make a lot of noise, not
Make a
quiet.
lot of noise. In this case क्या है? Loud approval means सबके सामने मुंह खोल के बोला yes, you are permitted to go for that trip. So that is a loud approval. Now, what is option C?
Clean.
Clean. Huh? So
Clean.
all these options, no, not the literal words are taken. Not the literal word will be taken. Clean approval means there is no confusion in it. It's very authentic. Sub rules के अनुसार किया. That is known as clean approval. इसमें कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं है. एकदम best clean approval. So you can go ahead with the plan because you have a clean approval. Fine. What is the last one?
Imply.
Implied approval. मतलब क्या है?
To suggest something in an indirect way or without
हाँ.
actually saying it.
Yes, to suggest something in an indirect way and without actually saying it. Now, look at our word. Our word, to find out the meaning is tacit approval. Tacit approval means मन में है लेकिन कुछ नहीं बोला. So it's not like a loud approval or clear approval or a clean approval. Means वो सब है एकदम clear cut दिया approval. Tacit means मन में रखा लेकिन इतना बाहर नहीं बोला. That is the meaning of tacit approval. So which word is best suited here as a synonym? Implied, because implied
Imply.
means not directly given. Loud नहीं बोला. हाँ, you are approved to do that. ऐसे कुछ नहीं बोला लेकिन indirectly we are meaning. So that is called an implied approval or implied ka meaning kya hai. So tacit meaning is implied. Understood, Vaibhav and all the others sitting in the class? Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 57 and 58, Danesh has to say. Danesh, are you there? Okay, Danesh has given me in chat. What have you given in chat, Danesh? In spite of hard work, the farmers could only get a meager yield. Thrifty, expensive, extravagant, adjective, economical, good. ये क्या है बेटा? Which 57 have you taken and given? 58. He was accelerated at the pride, proud, submission, humility, obedience. Danesh, I think there is some mistake in the questions that you have done. आपने किस 57 58 किया बेटा? पेज नंबर 466 का 57 58 है तो this is wrong. Danesh, can you respond? If your audio is working, can you respond, Danesh? 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 Danesh नहीं है. Okay. Is your audio working? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, बेटा आपने
Yes, ma'am.
chat में दिया लेकिन वो words ये 57 58 नहीं है बेटा.
पेज नंबर क्या?
466. आपने which 57 58 दिया?
466.
Because in the questions that we are discussing 57th question में meager होना है word and
Antonym.
इसका but बेटा I can't hear you. What is it? हाँ? Danesh, your आवाज नहीं आ रहे. If you can find the meaning now, you can do it. I'll go to the next question with someone else. So who is supposed to say 59 and 60? Okay, I'll share the screen so that it would be. Danesh, whatever you're speaking, I'm not able to understand. So it's better not to speak better.
Message.
Yeah, you can send a message. I hope you can see the screen. That is 57 and 58 question. Danesh, you can also see the screen. This is what I asked you to do. In spite of hard work, the farmers could only get a meager yield. So meager ka yielding, satisfactory, plenty. आपने 456 से किया. Okay, we are not even doing antonyms now, beta. We have come to, yeah, I have seen that question, but kindly do this. That was antonyms chapter. We are doing synonyms now. So you have time now. Okay, you can do it now. 57, 58. Meager and accelerated. आपने देखा वो question? मैंने अभी screen share किया. Okay, so kindly find it. I will come back to you after I discuss the other answers with others. So Danesh can do it, 57 and 58. I think 59 and 60. Anybody was given 59 and 60 yesterday? I have the names of people who has taken it from 61 to 69, but 59 and 60. I had given it to someone. And
Yeah.
Aditya Bingare is back. Aditya Bingare is, yes, Aditya Bingare is
Ma'am.
here. Aditya Bingare, beta, your question is 53 and 54. Have you done that?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please say that? 53 and 54, no? Your question?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo beta. In between, who is calling ma'am, ma'am? किसी ने बुलाया? Okay, no. Aditya Bingare, bolo.
Ma'am, question number 53 is the convocation address was ever edifying, large, ever edifying. So,
Was
the
very
meaning
edifying, beta. Ever edifying है क्या आपके text में?
sorry, ma'am. Wait,
The
ma'am, the
convocation.
meaning of convocation is large formal assembly or of people,
Okay.
and edifying means providing moral or means moral instruction.
Mm.
Then option A is tedious. Means meaning of tedious is too long, slow or dull.
हाँ, too long, slow. I had a tedious work today means बहुत सारा काम, boring काम, बहुत सारा करना था. That is where we will say I have a tedious job today. Okay, edifying. I'll come again. Edifying means something which gives a moral value and insight. हमको कुछ मन में अच्छा लगता है, हमको कुछ encouragement, motivation मिलता है. That is called edifying. It edifies us. Means आपको morally some values देता है. Okay. Now tedious means what? Very boring, dull, and बहुत सारा करना है. Tedious, calm, and all we will say. Option B.
In need to editing means writing material, preparing.
Editing is different. It is there to give confusion to you. Editing is something different. While we are writing or while we are doing something, some editing work means some changes.
Ma'am, option C is instructive means useful and informative.
Instructive means useful and informative. Okay.
Option D is exciting means causing great enthusiasm and eagerness.
Enthusiasms और eagerness बनाने के लिए कुछ करते हैं. Though that is not edifying. Instructive means हमकारे को कुछ advice मिलते हैं, some instructions मिलते हैं. That is instructive. In need of editing means कुछ changes करना है. That is in need of editing. Tedious means बहुत boring है. So इसमें edifying का mean क्या होता है? Edifying means हमको कुछ अच्छा मिलता है. Yes, instructive. हमारे को कुछ advice मिलता है, instruction मिलता है that हमको encourage or motivate or direct करता है. Okay, so instructive is the best option. Fine, beta. Go to question number 54.
Many of his acquaintances. Ma'am, what is that?
Acquaintances. No, many of his
Acquaintances.
acquaintances means, एक minute, I'll explain it there. Now, what do you mean by an acquaintance? That is a different level if you say that. Acquaintance, friend, close friend, best friend, relation. This is the level it goes. हमारे को कुछ व्यक्ति को पहचान है. हाँ, see, if you have seen somebody in the campus, somebody in your relatives, when you are going to a couple of functions, you have just seen them. That is called acquaintance. इसके ज़्यादा कोई रिश्ता नहीं है. You have just seen them. You just know him. That person was your senior, or you have just met 1 or 2 times for a program. Then that is just acquaintance. हाँ, जानता है उसको. इसका that uncle का बेटा का somebody है. Okay, that is called acquaintance. Now, friend means the next level of acquaintance. Matlab, you are not just an acquaintance, you are sharing a good friendship with them. Okay, so then comes the next relation. So that is the different. Acquaintance means sirf pehchan hai.
Yes, ma'am. Then avoid his because he is so garrulous.
Aditya Bingare, why are you eating now? Can you finish eating and speak?
No, ma'am, completed, ma'am.
It's not a good practice. If you wanted to eat, you would have taken a break because others are also sitting in the class. No, nobody does anything like this. If you want to eat, you stop it there. I can
Complete.
discuss other questions. And chewing and talking to your teacher, what manners is it? You are becoming so very uncivilized, better, rather becoming more civilized. Animals also won't do it, I guess. I don't mind you eating, at least when I'm teaching, you are not even opening. But I'm asking you a question, you are saying, ma'am, what is this? What kind of world are you coming from, sweetheart? And you are here for NDA. You are going to be someone who leads the nation. And you eat while you talk to your teacher in the class. Wow. Aditya, please be careful with such things.
Sorry, ma'am.
I am not going to lose your character and your dignity. You have just lost before me. Okay?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can eat anytime you want. When others discuss, if you are that hungry, when others discuss, you can eat. But this is totally an uncouth behavior. When I asked you a question, that time you're continuously munching and eating and saying the answer. What do you think of your teachers? Though I'm sitting in front of a different device, doesn't mean it breaks any of the teaching rules better. And you are 17 years old. 5 years old kids को इतना भूख लगता है तो हमको समझ में आता है. You're 17 years old. Can't you at least control your hunger for 2 minutes? Feel ashamed of your character, Aditya Vingare. Very sorry for you and your parents. Okay, finish your eating. By the time I'll go to Roshan, you said you will do 15.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah, finish eating and stay quiet. I don't want to hear your voice for today. That is the punishment I would like to give. Reflect on what you have done.
Ma'am, I am finding the meanings.
Okay. Have you done with any of the things? 50. You are taking 59 and 16, Abeta.
Yes, ma'am.
So 57 and 58. Any progress with Danish, or are you doing it? Okay. Ganesh, if you want to reply, you can reply in chat. Yeah, I hope you can hear me. So by now, I will start with the homework session. 61 and 62. Aditya, you are supposed to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, beta. Take 61 and 61. Start.
He showed exemplary courage during the crisis.
He showed exemplary courage during the crisis. Nahi hai, crisis. Bolo,
Crisis.
Aditya.
Crisis.
Crisis means a hard situation. Okay. I
Yes,
hope you
ma'am.
understood. Yeah.
Here,
Now.
meaning of exemplary is desirable or good.
हाँ, desirable or हम बोलते हैं ना एकदम excellent or best. That is the meaning of exemplary, kind of easy meaning for your understanding. I'm saying exemplary means एकदम best.
Courage means bravery.
हाँ, so उनको वो एकदम best हिम्मत और courage का हिंदी क्या है? Courage का हिंदी क्या है बेटा?
What, ma'am?
Courage का हिंदी क्या है? धीरता. धीरता है क्या?
साहस,
साहस, फाइन. एकदम बेस्ट साहस और एकदम बेस्ट उसको उनको वो हिम्मत था वो सिचुएशन हैंडल करने के लिए. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एक्सेम्पलरी करेज ड्यूरिंग दैट क्राइसिस. फाइन, बोलो.
Crisis means in danger situation.
Okay.
First option is usual. Usual means habitually.
Okay.
Second option durable. Durable means hard wearing.
Durable means
Hard wearing.
hard wearing.
Yes, ma'am.
Durable means it also says that it lasts long. That's the meaning of. See,
Yes.
Here we want to find the meaning of exemplary. Exemplary means best. You need to always take the word and the next word as well. Then only you will get the context. Here we need to replace exemplary courage with something. So exemplary courage. So as usual courage. So that is not the meaning. Next one is durable courage means some lasting, some durability, that
Long
kind
lasting.
of courage, yeah, he has shown. So that is also not that close to exemplary. The next one is commendable. Commendable matlab?
Deserving praise.
Commendable matlab, again, something like exemplary. Somebody has to, somebody who can appreciate that. That is, he showed a commendable behavior. He showed a commendable performance. Commendable means what? Appreciation के योग्य है. Okay, is worthy for appreciation or comments. So एकदम good. That is the meaning of commendable. Last one is he showed some courage. आते हैं तो some means कुछ
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
भी किया. That is the meaning of some. कुछ तो भी किया. Okay,
Yes,
so कुछ तो भी किया नहीं चलता है इधर. Usual नहीं चलता है. कुछ durability नहीं चलता है. So what is the
Commendable.
closest meaning of exemplary? Commendable.
Option C.
Okay, option C. Good. Next question.
When the new teacher entered the classroom, he found the pupils restive.
When the new teacher entered the classroom, he found the pupils. Now, what do you mean by pupils?
Pupils mean relation between student or teacher.
Okay,
Student
so
and teacher.
yes, students. Students का other word है pupils. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
king का people को बोलते हैं उनका subject. Okay, just get the difference. I'm telling you something new. Please listen. राजा को उनका प्रजा बोलते हैं ना. So वो राजा, the king will call his people my subjects. Okay, the king's peoples are known as his subjects in that country. A teacher, his students को बोलते हैं my pupils. Okay, so student teacher relationship में
Yes,
students
ma'am.
को बोलते हैं pupils. Okay, it's nothing but students. Now restive.
Restive means unable to remain still.
Unable to remain still. बहुत
Unable.
इधर उधर भागता था, वो आराम से नहीं बैठ रहा था. That stage is not restive. Okay.
First option is at rest. At rest means
Restive का
immovable
meaning
or
क्या है
remain
बेटा?
on
और एक बात बता.
original position.
Restive का just a minute आदित्य, restive का meaning बता.
Unable to remain still.
Unable to
Quickly
remain.
movable. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, unable to remain still, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So बहुत अक्षम होता है और उधर उधर भागता है, आराम से नहीं बैठते. That condition, fine.
At rest means immovable or it's or
At
in
rest means
original
बहुत
position.
बहुत शांत बैठता है. That is called at rest without moving. Second one, idle.
Idle means avoid work or become lazy.
Alasy. The best word is alasy for idle.
Yes, ma'am. Lazy.
That is the meaning of idle.
Quiet means silent.
शांत बैठता है. कुछ पूछते तो भी कुछ नहीं, मुंह खोल के कुछ नहीं बोलते. That is called quiet.
And
Last
last
one is
option, impatient means tendency
impatient.
to be
Impatient. बोलो.
impatient.
Impatient मतलब
It
क्या
means
है? बहुत restless है. ये करते वो
Tendency
करते.
to be quickly.
हाँ, impatient मतलब शांत नहीं बैठते, ये करते वो करते, दूसरों को डिस्टर्ब करते, so something like restive. So restive का best option इधर क्या है?
Impatient.
Impatient. Yes. Very good. Thank you. Now, okay, Tanishq. So Tanishq, are you supposed to give the answer of 63 and 64? You said you will give it through chat because of your background music. Sorry, not music. Yeah. All right. So Tanishq has given me through chat 63. Question is, there is no dearth of talent in this country. There is no dearth of talent in this country. So dearth meaning here is kuch kamiyan. That is the meaning of dearth. Kuch lack of. इस कंट्री में, इस देश में टैलेंट के लिए कुछ कमियां नहीं है. मतलब क्या है? बहुत टैलेंट है. सो dearth means scarcity or kamiyan or lack of. Kuch kamiyan. That is the meaning of dearth. Yeah, he has given the meaning scarcity, lack of something. Now, first option is scarcity. Scarcity already we told, lack of something. Second option is availability. हाँ, बहुत सारा है. Plenty, full of, बहुत ज़्यादा है. Absence, बिल्कुल नहीं है. It's not existent. That is absence. So the meaning of dearth है, लेकिन कुछ कमियां है. So that meaning is best for scarcity. Lacking है. The only thing that you will get confused here is scarcity and absent. Always remember, absence means ऐसे एक दिन ही exist ही नहीं करते. Scarcity means क्या है? है, लेकिन काफी नहीं है. Okay? So dearth is best with that meaning, scarcity. Okay? Thank you, Tanishq. You have given it well and good through the chat. If anybody wants it, I will just forward it to everyone. Okay, he has given it so neatly. As you can see in the chat, it is coming. Okay, the next one is the servants retired to their quarters. हाँ, this is a word we will always miss in about retirement. मतलब क्या है? आपका पापा मम्मी और somebody को when they hit 60 years, when they become 60 years, they will retire from their job. You must have heard this word. So we will feel that retirement मतलब pension होता है. Okay, that is the only word. No, retire means, you know, actually to go to a place, to go back to a place. Okay, so servants retired to their quarters means उनके काम के बाद they went back to their resting place, or they went back to their original place. That is the only meaning of retired. Okay, the options given are entered. Entered means you know what you mean by enter. Penetrated is the correct synonym he has given. Tanishq has given. Penetrate means what? To get into. Enter means to get into. Second, went away. Went away means to leave a place. Ran away, bhagta, leave in order to avoid. Next one is mobilize, to put into a movement. Okay, so the best option here is option B, went away. Servants retired to their quarters means उन्होंने उनके job के बाद quarters में they have gone back. Just went away means gone back. So the best option, closest option to retired in this sentence is went away. I hope you understood. Thank you so much, Tanishq. Next, 65 and 66, Elroy.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
The Navy gave tactical support to Marines. Tactical means planned.
Okay. Tactical support
first-
means sub ekdam, we'll say no, the meticulous work, the precise work means सब हमने बहुत plan से हर step किया. That is called as a tactical support to the Marine. Tactical means ekdam planned work. Okay. हाँ.
Yes.
Options बता.
First option, sensitive. Sensitive, taking some decision carefully, delicately.
Yeah, sensitive means सबको please करके उनको क्या लगेगा, इसको क्या लगेगा, और इस situations को consider करेंगे, इस situation को consider करेंगे, ऐसा सपोर्ट देते हैं तो उनको सेंसिटिव सपोर्ट होते हैं, सब कंसिडर करके. ओके, सेकंड वन.
Strategic means planned or making lots of watching different ways to do something.
Yes, strategy is exactly what a tactical thing will end up in a
Tactical.
strategical thing. Strategy means वो सब consider करके एकदम meticulously we will plan out something. That is called as a strategic method. Every situation consider करके वो learn करके we will come out with some plans. एकदम perfect plan. That is called as strategy. Something like practical. Next option.
Immediate means instantly or quickly.
हाँ, immediate means support जल्दी से जल्दी देना है. So इसमें इतना स्टडी करने का, इतना सिचुएशंस समझ जाने का टाइम नहीं मिलता है. कुछ सपोर्ट देना, इमीडिएट सपोर्ट देता है. So it's not something like a tactical support. Immediate कभी नहीं वर्कआउट करता है tactical में. Next.
Expert means skillful or specialist.
Expert means some expert people comes out and they will give some support. So it's not necessary that it has to be studied on the current situation or something. It will just, they can just come and give some support. So which is the best option for tactical?
Strategic. Option
Strategy.
B.
Okay, option B, strategic, because it is very planned, it's very studied and planned and given a support. Good, 66.
A genius tends to deviate from the routine way of thinking.
A genius tends to deviate from the routine way of thinking. What is the meaning of
Deviate
that?
means to change, drift away, or to diverge.
Huh. So a genius person, kisko, ek minute, beta, let me
Yes, ma'am.
have some time to explain. A genius tends to deviate from the routine way of thinking. It's a very important sentence. Everybody listen. अगर आपको किसी ने जीनियस बोलना चाहता हो तो आपको क्या करना है, सब सोचने वाला स्टाइल है ना, हमेशा वो स्टाइल में ही सोच करते हैं तो आप जीनियस कभी नहीं बनते. क्योंकि जीनियस पीपल क्या करते हैं, जीनियस पीपल हमेशा बहुत डिफरेंट वेज से थिंक करता है. जीनियस पीपल deviate from the routine way of thinking. हमेशा थिंक करने वे में, हाँ ऐसे ही वे में थिंक करेंगे. रूटीन मीन्स ये समथिंग फॉलोड एवरी डे, दैट इज कॉल्ड रूटीन. वो हमेशा रूटीन वे में थिंक नहीं करते, वो डिविएट करते हैं. डिविएट करते मीन्स कुछ अलग सोच करता है, और डिविएट मीन्स कुछ अलग रास्ता चुनेंगे. सो दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस हियर. सो डिविएट का मीनिंग हम इससे चूज करना है. बोलो बेटा.
Dispute. Dispute means to discuss or to debate on something.
हाँ, dispute means हम quarrel करते हैं. एक आइडिया में I have a different opinion, Elroy has a different opinion, so we will dispute among ourselves. Elroy बोलते हैं मैम ये सही नहीं है, मैं बोलते हैं Elroy यही सही है. So this is called a dispute, a disagreement. B is also disagreement. Okay, yes, something similar.
Yes.
Elroy, you want to say something there?
Disagree means to fail to agree or to oppose something.
Okay, fail to agree, and sometimes we will oppose something. Option C, distinguish.
Distinguish means to differentiate.
Distinguish means, you know, in your physics question or chemistry question, science question, distinguish between plant cell and animal cell. So what is this? You need to bring out the differences. That is called distinguish. Now, what is the last one?
Different.
Different. Different, you always know. Different means alag. So a
Unlike.
genius tends to deviate from the routine way. Alag soch karna chahiye. So which is the best option for alag? The last one, I guess.
Option
क्या?
D.
Okay, yes.
I guess.
Yes, it's different. Deviate ka
But ma'am,
best. Yes, beta.
ma'am, distinguish also is another word for different only, right?
Yes. In that case, you need to read the sentence. A genius tends to distinguish from the routine way of thinking. Distinguish, with the main difference between different and distinguish is distinguishing happens when two factors are compared. You need to bring up two factors and then you have to take the difference. Hamesha, you remember the question, distinguish between plants and animals. So distinguishing is always between two things. टू चीज होना है, उनका डिफरेंसेस बोलना है। लेकिन हमारा इधर क्वेश्चन क्या है, एक रूटीन वे से अलग थिंक करना है, अलग के लिए दो चीज नहीं करना है। आई हैव अ थॉट, आई नीड टू मेक अ डिफरेंट थॉट। डिस्टिंग्यूशन कब आता है, मेरे को एक गुड विचार है, बैड विचार है, देन अ डिस्टिंग्यूशन शुड कम। ओके, सो दैट इज अ डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशन। सो डिस्टिंग्विश में हमारा हमेशा टू फैक्टर्स चाहिए, डिफरेंस को वो नहीं चाहिए। सो इन दैट सेंटेंस
Thank you, ma'am.
there is only one way of thinking, so different is the best. Okay,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Coming to question number 67, I guess it's Vedant. Is Vedant there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready with your answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, say it better.
He was greatly debilitated by an attack of influenza.
He was greatly debilitated. Bolo beta, debilitated.
Debilitated.
Okay, by an attack of influenza. Now, influenza kya hai? If you're a biology students, you will be knowing it. Influenza kya hai? It's a flu, it's a disease, it's a fever kind of thing. Influenza. It's a viral or some bacterial attack hai, influenza. Okay, beta, Vedant?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, उनको एक कुछ फीवर है, हम बोलते हैं ना डेंगू फीवर है, वायरल फीवर है, इट्स एक फीवर है, इन्फ्लुएंजा. So he was greatly debilitated by an attack of it. उनको क्या अटैक हुआ? इस इन्फ्लुएंजा, ये डिसीज हुआ, ये फीवर हुआ. So he became greatly debilitated. Debilitated मतलब क्या है?
To make someone very weak.
हाँ, बहुत वीक हुआ ये फीवर के वजह से. So which is the best option for weak हुआ from the four options? First is
Option number
depressed.
second.
Yes, it's very obvious. Option number second is given, weakened. Let's also see the other option. Depressed मतलब क्या है?
Unhappiness.
Unhappy.
Sad.
So ये फीवर के वजह से वो अनहैप्पी है ये, लेकिन हमारे को क्या चाहिए? वीकेंड मीनिंग चाहिए. So unhappy नहीं चलता इधर. C means worried. Of course, when you get your COVID infection and all, you will get worried, but we want something similar to weakened. So worried नहीं चलता है. Defeated means हम
हार जाना. Lose someone.
Lose to someone. We will feel that we are like a defeated person when we are on the bed, but that is not we want. We want weakened ka meaning hai, debilitated ka meaning hai. So it is weakened is the best option. Understood, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, question number 68.
His efforts at helping the poor are, ma'am, what is that word?
Laudable. Laudable is laudable.
And option of first is welcome.
Okay.
Laudable. It means deserving prize.
हाँ, appreciation करते हैं ना. His efforts are at helping the poor are. उन्होंने ये गरीब लोगों को बहुत मदद करते हैं. हम उनको appreciate करना पड़ेगा, उनको clap करना पड़ेगा. That is the meaning of laudable. Okay.
Yes.
So laudable means appreciate करना पड़ेगा, उनको ये करना पड़ेगा. अच्छा किया आपने ऐसे. So laudable का first option क्या है? Welcome. Welcome मतलब क्या है?
Manner of greeting someone.
Greeting or हम being a friendly thing is also known as being welcoming. Okay, but लेकिन वो
Yes.
laudable नहीं है. Okay, उन्होंने एक अच्छा काम किया, हम उनको सिर्फ welcome नहीं करते तो नहीं चलेगा. Okay, sincere. Sincere means what?
Free from pretense.
Free from pretense. We are not acting, we are saying it genuinely from heart. Yes, that is a good thing, but laudable का meaning नहीं होता है. Laudable means उनको appreciate करना है. सिर्फ genuinely क्या करना है? Appreciate करना है. वो meaning नहीं आया sincere में. Third one is सिर्फ good.
Good.
Good means फला. So you just have
well.
to be good to him. No. उनको हम सिर्फ good विधि से act करेंगे. No, that also will not be. We need to appreciate him. That is the meaning of laudable. What is the last option?
Praiseworthy.
Price नहीं?
Deserving approach. Praiseworthy.
Praise.
Sorry.
हाँ, praiseworthy. Praiseworthy means
Praiseworthy.
praising मतलब
Deserving
क्या है?
approval.
आप बहुत अच्छा है, आपने ये बहुत अच्छा से किया, आप बहुत ऐसा व्यक्ति है, ऐसे praise करते हैं. So that is the meaning of laudable. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Last one. Who is supposed to take the last one?
Ma'am, Uddhav.
Uddhav. Okay, beta, बोलो.
Ma'am, His conduct brought him reproach from quarters.
His conduct brought him reproach from quarters. हाँ. His conduct means उन्होंने कुछ किया, उनका वो व्यवहार, that is called conduct. उनका वो व्यवहार quarters से उनको ठाट्टा means scolding kind of things, हाँ. Some punishment and some scoldings उनको मिला, है ना? Reproach का meaning क्या है बेटा?
Ma'am, express someone's disapproval.
हाँ. बिल्कुल उनका ऑफिसर्स को, अदर्स को बिल्कुल उनका पसंद नहीं आया, उनको वो व्यवहार उसका ऑफिसर्स को डिसअप्रूवल मींस उन्होंने बिल्कुल ये सपोर्ट नहीं किया, अप्रूव नहीं किया. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिप्रोच. अनिष्ट हुआ, दैट इज द बेस्ट मीनिंग, अनिष्ट. हाँ, नाउ अनिष्ट का बेस्ट ऑप्शन क्या है?
Yes, ma'am.
A, rebuke means
Express sharp disapproval.
same thing like reproach. Rebuke means what have you done? Do you know this is against the rules? ऐसे कभी नहीं करना है. This is called a rebuke. Okay, डांटना in short. B.
Sympathy means feeling pity or sorrow.
Feeling, pitying, sorrow. Just the opposite of "Arey, I feel so sad." ऐसे नहीं हुआ था. This kind of feelings are known as sympathy. Okay, that is opposite of reproach, I guess. Now, third one, indifference.
Indifference means lack of interest.
Lack of interest. I think in the previous questions also the same word. Indifference means interest कुछ नहीं, उन्होंने कुछ भी किया, मेरे को क्या है? That is called indifference. That is not the meaning of reproach. Last one, remorse.
Remorse means deep regret.
Remorse means oh मैंने क्यों ऐसे किया, oh मैंने क्यों ऐसे किया, बार बार ऐसे ही सोचता है. So that is feeling very very sad for the things that we have done. Oh नहीं करना था ऐसे, नहीं करना था. This is called regret, remorse. Okay, so reproach का meaning बिल्कुल वो नहीं है. So reproach क्या है इसमें? डांटना है. डांटना है, that is called reproach. That is reproach. Understood बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now Roshan can say his answers.
Yes, ma'am.
You have done question number
59 and 60. He was
Read correct.
fired for negligence on duty. Here fired
He was fired for negligence on duty. उसका sentence का meaning बोलो पहले.
the meaning of sentence is that for doing that small thing he was fired from his work.
Now this fire is not firing the gun. Some people doesn't know the meaning. Fire means आग. That is only meaning they know. Fire has different aspects. There is a fire in our building means fire in our building मतलब क्या है? Literally आग है, short circuit के वजह से or something आग है. That is fire. Now fired means dismissed or he is being taken out from a job, is not taken from a place because some misconduct or something, then it's also called as fired. The teesara fire is if you're shouting at someone or if you are like rebuking someone so much, you can also say firing at him. गाली दे, not गाली देते, बहुत डांटते हैं, then it's also sometimes called as firing. So fire has three different meanings. One is literal fire, आग, agni. The next fire is taking out from a job. Teesra fire is scolding very badly. Okay, always keep that in mind. So here read the sentence, you will get whether it's agni, whether it's taking out from job, or whether it's scolding. He was fired for negligence in duty. Now negligence means what? इतना attention नहीं दिया, वो बहुत थोड़ा सा lazy बन गया. That is called negligence. इतना careful attention उसका duty में नहीं किया, इसके लिए कुछ हुआ शायद. So वो negligence के लिए उनको duty से बाहर निकाला. That is the meaning. So here fired means बाहर निकाला. Okay, so बाहर निकाला का similar ऑप्शन क्या है रोशन बताओ.
Ma'am, option A, relieved of his job.
हाँ, that is exactly job से बाहर निकाला.
Yes, ma'am. That same means to be fired.
Yeah.
Option B, scolded. Scolded means to
Data.
datna.
Actually,
Look-
scolded. Scolded is also a meaning of fired. So he was fired for negligence of duty. In this case, duty में अगर कुछ negligence हो तो that is serious. Okay? Duty में आपका एक job का final aim क्या है? You have to perform your duty well. आप ड्यूटी में नहीं अच्छा नहीं करते तो डांटने से वो ठीक नहीं होता है. You will be taken out from the duty. Especially consider your duty. Your enemy or neighbor. If you are showing any negligence in the duty, that is affecting the whole country. So your negligence, nobody will call and hey, beta kiya, hey, go back. It's that तो नहीं चलता है. Okay, you will be given serious actions against you. You will be taken out from your job. So that is why here firing is not just datna, because here negligence of duty hai that will lead to something like relieving you or taking you out from the job. Okay, Aditya Mahadik? You have asked it. Okay,
Option
beta?
C, rebuked.
That, rebuke me?
And rebuke means to speak angrily.
Okay, speaking angrily. Okay. That fourth one is attacked. Definitely not attacking.
Attack
We are
means to
not
cause a harm.
by firing the gun and all, we are attacking. That just option. Relieved office. Ready with the next
Ma'am,
thing? Hit karo.
suddenly there was a flash followed by a deafening explosion. Daravna. Then
Terrifying
second,
means
terrifying,
bhayanak.
terrifying, extreme fear.
Yeah, bhayanak. Mild, बहुत soft.
Mild means
That is
serious.
called mild. क्या बेटा?
Option D, very loud. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
With this, I think anybody else is remaining. I think only that. Who is that? Danesh 798 remaining. Danesh has given me something from some other page. So that 57 and 58 is remaining. Danesh. I hope you will do it. Okay. I think we have covered things. I think synonyms and antonyms. Go to the sentence improvement and although this is coming in the next chapter. You can always practice a lot and have. We can discuss such things over the class. So make sure that you are writing your doubts all in one notebook so that when we come in the class, I will handle a doubt session. Okay. Whatever we are discussing in the class, I think we are moving or taking it well and clear. But आप खुद practice करने के समय और practice करना है. Definitely you will not go with the things that we are discussing in the class. और practice करना है. वो practice करने के समय some words समझ में नहीं आते, some words का application इतना समझ में नहीं आए ऐसे तो write it in your notebook. And when we meet in the class, I will ask you for such doubts. At that time, I will clear it up. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Do practice well. Stay blessed. God bless you. Bye, everyone.